All right, round two. In the old Flagstaff, 30 grand. These are smaller ones, so this is obviously the ultimate RV show, Camping World. They do it every year. It's free to get in, but they take your email and stuff, so they can send you spam. So, $20 to park. I like going to these RVs. It's fun to see different stuff. Like I said, Liz Amazing's on YouTube. She calls out a lot of people. That's a small TV, but I get it. Head in here, easy to get into. Cooking your behaviors. Puking in when you get sick. Hang on. So it looks like this is probably where you sleep. I think that's probably the bed. I think. That probably comes down. Yeah, that comes down the bed. So that's your thing. So cool. All right. Cool. These are all the small ones. I like this grill. Saw in the last video. Nice. I like that kind of stuff. I can make stuff on there. Sandwiches. This one is 29 grand, whatever. $279 a month. See, I like this already. Got the bed here. Come down here and you can sit right here. If you're by yourself, you're a single person, guy or gal, as they say, right here. Perfect. Got your bed. You sit there. You can watch TV, cook your stuff. You got your head. You got the microwave over here. So I like this one for if I'm by myself. I can handle it. So, all right. Nice. I like that one. So, okay. Who's on the next one? These small ones are nice. Easy to pull. This one right here, this small one right here is cool. Look at that one. We got the grill. 25 grand. See, this one, the bed is probably right here. The other one I was just in, you guys saw. I liked it much better. This one, I don't, I get it, you got the shower over here, but I just like it. The other one had the bed. Probably comes down, but I just like it that the bed's right there if I don't have to take it down. So this one, no, it doesn't make anything special to me. I wouldn't. Well, not a big deal.
And you can add in.
Let's go into this one. 30 grand. Here we go. Like I said, this one's a nice one. Like I said, you can sit down on the bed. It's right here for you, ready to rock and roll. Compared to that one, this one I like. Just gotta make sure they don't leak. Warranty on these things, they take forever to get fixed. They want to sell it to you, but then as soon as it breaks, well, I don't know. So, got the head right here. The black water. I like it. Just that one is a waste of good suffering. Here's another small one here, $229 a month. Again, this is, I get the bed comes down, I get it, the head's okay, but this is a very simple one, but I just don't want all this behavior you gotta pull down. So it's my personal opinion. It's kind of a afterthought, nothing special. I don't know, I wouldn't buy it. Not trying to rip on it, just think you gotta have that bed automatically ready. So I'm working to put the bed down. The grill right here, push up on there. Back. This is about 30 grand. You can charge your stuff you need to. See, I like this one. Again, you can just start automatically. Got your bed to sit on right here. TV's right here. You can see 32-inch place you could eat. You got your head over there. This is the kind I like. It's very simple. I like the color. It's not something really weird. As Jimmy John said, coaching my beloved Dallas Criminals, don't be pretty, just be good. So I would take, this is for the kids, I get it. I would take that stuff out and make it again for my storage for all my my golf clubs, my bike and stuff. That'd be I'd say when I want this one, take it out, make it a storage room for me. That's what it'd be. I love this one. I like it. Very simple for me to pull. Very simple. You know, me and somebody running around, the guy or the girl, whatever, cruising around town. So I like it. Not bad for 20, 30 grand sale price. I pay cash for it, obviously. I mean, it's just me. Look over here, Ozark. This one is 15 grand. Let's see. So I like it. It's a small one too. Again, the bed right here, right there. This is for 15. That's not bad. Even more simple. The head's right there. Probably put it. You could probably put the TV right here if you needed to, and then they could flip it down. So if you want to have a TV somewhere in here, that's you would have it. So you'd have it coming down or something like that. So gotta make sure this stuff doesn't leak. But these are pretty easy to pull. Or put the TV. No, they probably have the TV right there. So I probably put the TV. That's probably they have it. So another simple little thing. Yeah, what the hell? Not bad. Ozark. Not bad. I like it.
My mind was wandering around that same subject. Yeah, let me get out of your picture. No problem.
Go over here.
Is that going in the winter folder?
Go over here to the Ozark one. Some was in the other one, but no big deal. I'll probably have to share. I'll probably have to share with the music. Probably have to share. But this is kind of again, I get this, but TV's up in there, but I'm sorry, I want the bed separate. I'm sorry, it's just, you got a little extra space for the bed. You saw, not worth it, 25 grand. If you have like 40 grand, it's a good idea to come in. Look at the kid. There's a bigger one here. 28 grand. And the Ozark one. Oh, this one's nice. Oh my goodness. Not bad for 28 grand. Again, if I'm pulling this with the wife, just me and her. Nice big bed. I would use that for storage area. That's what I would do. That's my personal. The head's in here. I'd shower in that shower. I just make a storage area. Maybe keep this up here for to sleep, but I'd be able to put my bike underneath there and my golf clubs. It's my personal. I like it. See, I like how it's open. You know, that's the way I look at it. So, you want something more substantial? I like this. That's a nice one. Oh my God. I'm gonna break an ankle on anything. Okay, let's go over here. Come on. This is kind of nice. This is no boundaries. Well, what do you think, huh? What do you think, huh?
I like it.
I like the ones that have the bed already laid out for you. You don't have to take the bed down, you know. I like that. So.
You got your own YouTube channel? Or?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's Cowpot, COWPOT Adventures.
Okay.
So I'm just videotaping. I just do a straight shoot, point and shoot. It'll be out in August. I have stuff way out ahead, so I'm just kind of doing it for adventure. Very easy to do it. Yeah, COWPOTE. I have the podcast where I do podcasting, and then I do videos. So I do, you know, I don't get a lot of views. I get what I get, but so.
Come on.
So, yeah, COWPOTE, Cowpot Adventures, and the podcast where I talk. You know what I'm saying? So, and I do other videos. So, but all right, my friend.
P-O-T?
COWPOTE.
Cowpot?
Pote.
Pote.
So, anyways, all right. Enjoy it. See you guys later. All right. Can't pronounce it. Oh. Let's celebrate. Oh, wow. This is kind of nice. Oh, my goodness. It's a nice one. I'd shower in this shower. I can. Let me see. You see it? Not bad. I can shower in this shower. Kind of nice. Little bar for your friends. Not bad. Sit there, hang out. TV be up here. So people sit here and beg for food. And a nice bed. Refrigerator. Nice. I like it. Oh, nice. Heck yeah. Have your own special entrance. Nice. Nice.
This is it.
So I like the layout. I like that. For 38
Good,
grand.
man. It's clean,
Oh, I
isn't
like that layout. No, I like it.
Yep.
For 38 grand.
Very clean, man.
I'll-
Especially for that price point.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
Comes
I
with
like
solar
this.
Panels,
That comes out. Yeah, it's nice.
underbelly panels.
I always say drive your car, pull your house.
There you go, man.
Very nice. That's a nice layout. It's nice. Yeah, I'll probably get popped on music, but it is what it is. I can't help it. I could have just done it without saying anything, but you know, oh, kind of nice. I like this. Oh, he's all right. A lot of people dump their black water illegally, but sit right here with your buddies, you know. Sit here, watch TV. The TV right up here, a little 32-inch. Come watch me on YouTube. Yep. Heck yeah. I like the clean look. Crap in the open. And here's your workbench. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's too bad they don't have the little ones here, but it's for them strictly only, so it is what it is. Kind of like the Ozark. Again, like going to the auto show, which I'll go to sooner or later. You want to go see what you want to spend your money on, so 20 grand, let's see. You're going to RV, you better have the money to do it. Can't be begging for money all the time you go out in your RV. Me and Carl, that's on, me and him talked a few times. It's a nice bed. You know, Carl can sleep there. Me and Carl are friends. Sit here and hang out. This probably closes for the bathroom, so nice. I like how it's, you know, again, I like the sinks. I like it. They do good work here, guys. Always, you got it. It's cowport approved, man. I like it. So, anyways, guys, we'll move on to something more substantial here. So, so this one is the Ozark. I like it. Not bad for 20 grand. It's pretty good. Anyways, guys, see you the next one.